Hey guys, my name's Kenley. I'm a rising senior and I'm in the challenge cohort of Lead Forward.
Hi, my name is Jared Livingston. I'm a graduating civil engineer and I'm from Raleigh, North Carolina.
And Lead Forward, I have gotten so much out of this program. They teach you not only what it's like to be a leader, but to lead others.
I was looking for some outlet of, community, some sense of belonging in something. And that sense of identity was really developed, from the first meeting. I was like, this is real, this is for me, and God put this in my life for a reason.
Beyond their academic curriculum, Lead Forward teaches you how to understand self-awareness and emotional intelligence so that whenever you are going out into the working world, that you understand more about what you can do in life and what questions you may want to ask about the path that you choose to take than just simply the technical aspect of what you've learned on the academic side of your college career.
I've seen Lead Forward give students a community of like-minded people who strive to be leaders, who strive to improve themselves, not only given the technical education that Clemson has to offer, but really be well-rounded graduates during their time at Clemson and far beyond.
Lead Forward was definitely vital to my college experience, and I encourage all students to do it.